6. Dehydration. Fitness nutrition often overlooks the importance of proper hydration. Despite the fact that even minor dehydration can impede recovery and performance, the reason it's a mistake. Decreased performance, fatigue, cramping, and a loss of strength or endurance can all result from dehydration. Slower recovery. Water is essential for removing waste products like lactic acid and delivering nutrients to muscles. Misinterpreted hunger. People frequently confuse thirst for hunger, which results in their consuming extra calories. Ways to prevent it: hydrate before, during, and after exercise. Aim for 16 to 20 ounces of water 1 to 2 hours prior to exercises, and drink water frequently throughout the day. Track fluid loss. Rehydrate with 16 to 20 ounces of water for each pound lost during exercise. Add electrolytes. Use electrolyte drinks to replace lost sodium and potassium if you're perspiring a lot during extended or strenuous exercise. 7. Eliminating carbohydrates completely. Although ketogenic and low-carb diets are popular, cutting out carbohydrates entirely might impair performance, particularly for athletes or people engaging in intense exercise. The reason it's a mistake: energy depletion. The body uses carbohydrates as its main energy source when exercising, especially during brief but intensive activity spurts. Inadequate recovery. Failure to replenish glycogen stores with sufficient carbohydrates prevents muscles from fully recovering. Hormonal imbalances. Diets extremely low in carbohydrates can interfere with the production of hormones, particularly in women. Ways to prevent it: select complex carbohydrates. Steer clear of processed carbohydrates like white bread or sugary snacks and choose whole grains, oats, brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and legumes. Fuel efficiency. Plan your carbohydrate intake for energy before and after exercise to restore glycogen. The key is balance. Don't be afraid of carbohydrates. Focus on portion control and quality. 8. Disregarding personal needs. There is no universal approach to nutrition and fitness. A person's age, genetics, degree of activity, and fitness objectives can all affect what works for them. The reason it's a mistake: plateaued progress. Because generic diets might not be tailored to your specific needs, following them can cause your progress to stagnate. Lack of sustainability. Unrealistic or restrictive goals frequently lead to burnout or binge eating. Deficiencies in some nutrients can occur when you ignore your body's cues, leading to an insufficient intake of calories or nutrients. Ways to prevent it: pay attention to your body to determine whether your dietary strategy is effective. Track your energy, appetite, and performance. Customize your strategy to create a plan that meets your objectives. Collaborate with a nutrition coach or registered dietitian. Modify as necessary. Nutritional requirements alter with time, so be adaptable and adjust as necessary. In conclusion, fitness nutrition errors are common, but with awareness, preparation, and moderation, you can prevent them. By staying mindful of your choices and seeking professional guidance, you can ensure that your nutritional strategy evolves alongside your changing needs. Embracing this proactive approach will not only enhance your fitness journey but also promote overall well-being in the long run. Make sure to drink enough water, eat regular meals, and strategically consume complete, nutrient-dense foods before and after exercise. Steer clear of extremes like cutting out entire food groups, worrying over supplements, or skipping meals. You can maximize the advantages of your workout endeavors and optimize your nutrition by paying attention to your body and attending to your particular needs. Keep in mind that the secret to long-term success is balance and consistency. 9. Emphasizing calories over nutrients. An obsession with calorie counting at the expense of dietary quality is a common error in fitness nutrition. Concentrating solely on the numbers can lead to negative effects on performance and health, as not all calories are equal. The reason it's a mistake: nutrient deficiencies. Consuming empty calories from processed foods results in the absence of important vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. Energy crashes. Although foods heavy in sugar or refined carbohydrates may meet calorie requirements, they might cause blood sugar levels to rise and fall. Slower recovery. Inadequate nutrient intake may hinder muscle repair and general recovery after working out. Ways to prevent it: put an emphasis on nutrient density by prioritizing foods high in nutrients, such as complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, healthy fats, and vibrant greens. Prioritize quality over quantity. Select complete, unprocessed foods over highly processed snacks that could appear low-calorie. Observe macros if necessary instead of focusing only on consuming fewer calories. Balance your intake of protein, carbohydrates, and fats to make sure your body gets what it needs. 10. Consuming too many healthy foods. Another typical error is overindulging in healthful foods because you think they're guilt-free. Despite being high in nutrients, foods like whole grains, avocados, and nuts nevertheless have a lot of calories. The reason it's a mistake: calorie surplus. If calories continuously surpass energy expenditure, Overindulging in even healthful foods can result in weight gain. Portion distortion: foods such as nuts, seeds, and oils can quickly accumulate in small amounts due to their high calorie content. Slower progress regardless of the food's quality. Consuming large amounts of it can impede weight loss efforts. Ways to prevent it. Practice portion control for items high in calories such as oils, seeds, and nut butters. Measure serving sizes. Mindful eating to avoid overeating. Eat slowly, chew your food well, and pay attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Maintain plate equilibrium in order to satisfy your energy needs without going overboard. Balance the amounts of healthy fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. 11. Ignoring micronutrient significance. People often overlook micronutrients like vitamins and minerals in favor of macronutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. These are essential for immunity, muscle repair, energy production, and general health. The reason it's a mistake. Impaired recovery deficits in crucial micronutrients like magnesium, potassium, or zinc may hinder muscle function and regeneration. Weakness and fatigue. Low levels of iron, B vitamins, or vitamin D can lead to fatigue, weakness, and poor performance. Weakened immune system. Lack of antioxidants, such as vitamins C, E, and selenium, may increase your susceptibility to disease. Ways to prevent it. Eat the rainbow to obtain a broad spectrum of vitamins and antioxidants. Incorporate a variety of vibrant fruits and vegetables into your diet. Include superfoods. Nutrient-dense foods include fatty fish, spinach, kale, berries, nuts, and seeds. Think about testing to find deficiencies. Have blood testing done on a regular basis if needed. Take supplements under a doctor's supervision. 12. Steer clear of beneficial fats. Many people still fear eating fats due to years of vilification. On the other hand, hormone production, joint health, brain function, and energy all depend on beneficial fats. The reason it's a mistake. Hormonal imbalance. Healthy fats support the production of hormones like testosterone, which is crucial for muscle growth and repair. Energy deficiency. Fats provide long-lasting energy for extended exercise since they burn slowly. Fats aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K, which are vital for optimal health. Ways to prevent it. Add nuts, seeds, avocados, fatty fish, olive oil, and coconut oil to your diet as healthy sources. Steer clear of trans fats. Get rid of processed meals that contain hydrogenated oils because they are harmful for your heart and cause inflammation. Take care when portioning. Consume healthy fats sparingly because they are high in calories. For instance, a tablespoon of olive oil or a handful of nuts will do. 13. Ignoring fiber consumption. Despite its sometimes overlooked role in fitness nutrition, fiber plays a crucial role in blood sugar regulation, weight management, and digestion. The reason it's a mistake. Digestive problems. Poor nutrition absorption, bloating, and constipation can result from a low-fiber diet. Blood sugar spikes. If you don't eat enough fiber, meals high in carbohydrates can cause abrupt changes in blood sugar levels. Increased hunger. Since fiber encourages fullness, consuming too little of it can make you feel hungry all day. Ways to prevent it. Consume whole foods. Include foods high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, lentils, oats, and quinoa. Gradually increase your consumption of fiber gradually to prevent upset stomachs for optimal results. Combine it with water. Aim for the correct amount. The average adult needs 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day. Distribute consumption equally among meals. 14. Failure to monitor fluid calories. Liquid calories from sugary drinks, smoothies, sports drinks, and high-end coffee beverages can quickly add up, despite their frequent disregard. The reason it's a mistake. Hidden calories. A lot of drinks, including healthy juices and smoothies, are heavy in calories and sugar. Poor satiety. The lack of fullness that liquid calories deliver in comparison to solid foods can cause overeating in the future. Impact on blood sugar. Insulin surges from sugary drinks might lead to energy dumps. Ways to prevent it. Drink water to stay hydrated without consuming extra calories. Make water your main beverage throughout the day. Watch out for smoothies when ingesting smoothies. Steer clear of added sugar and make use of full fruits, veggies, and protein sources. Limit sugary drinks. Steer clear of energy drinks, sodas, and coffee beverages with added sugar. Instead, choose sparkling water, unsweetened teas, or black coffee. 15. Neglecting recovery and rest. Dietary intake. Recovery days are as crucial for nutrition as workout days. Because they believe they need less food on rest days, many people reduce their caloric intake, which can impede muscle regeneration and recovery. The reason it's a mistake. Delayed muscle repair on recovery days. Eating too little protein and carbohydrates might hinder muscle growth and repair. Energy deficits. Underfueling might make you feel lethargic rest days or when your body adjusts and heals. Missed progress. Eating a healthy diet guarantees that your body will reap the rewards of your labor's ways to prevent it. Make protein a priority to aid muscle recovery. Ensure that you consume enough protein throughout the day, particularly on rest days. Incorporate a mix of high-quality protein sources such as lean meats, dairy, and plant-based options, along with carbohydrates to replenish glycogen stores and support overall recovery. By prioritizing protein intake, you provide your muscles with the essential building blocks they need to repair and grow stronger. This balanced approach not only enhances recovery but also optimizes your overall fitness progress. Muscle recovery. Maintain a steady protein intake. Good fats and carbs. Consume nutrient-dense fats and carbohydrates to lower inflammation and restore energy storage. Listen to hunger even on days when you aren't training. Pay attention to your body's cues and give it the right kind of nourishment. In conclusion, balance, consistency, and an emphasis on complete meals are necessary to avoid typical fitness nutrition blunders. You can maximize your fitness journey by avoiding calorie fixation, consuming healthy foods, skipping meals, and neglecting important nutrients like fiber and fats. Fitness nutrition is about making tiny, lasting changes to support your goals, whether they be to improve athletic performance, lose weight, or gain muscle. It is not about being flawless. For long-term success, take the time to educate yourself, pay attention to your body, and develop healthy habits that fit with your way of life. Thanks for watching, and subscribe my channel for updates about fitness and wellness.